Hi everybody, welcome to GTCoding. In this tutorial series, we're going to see how to design this homepage using Figma. So let's get started. Now this video is just an introduction and I'll just show you the demo of our website. So here we can see this is the header and we have this menu bar, then we have this information. And if you scroll down, we have this section over here where we have the information of what the students will learn. And here on the right side, we have this image about these topics. And then if you scroll down, we have the information about the number of students and the hours of video content in the course. And if you scroll down even more, we have the list of posts. And here we have these 3 posts displayed over here. And these are going to be Figma components so that we can reuse these elements. And these headings over here will also be components. And we'll create different variants so that we can have different colors of these underlines. And then we have this button to go to all the posts. And if you scroll down even more, we have the testimonials section where we have the students and their testimonials displayed over here. And if you scroll down, we have the footer. Now this is the desktop version of our design. Now let me show you the tablet version. And this is how the tablet version looks. If you scroll down, we have all these elements over here. And for the latest posts, we have the 3rd post in full width mode. And if you scroll down, we have the testimonials and they also have a different layout. And then lastly, we have the smartphone version. So this is how the smartphone version looks. We have a different layout. We don't have the menus displayed over here. We have this menu icon. And if I click on this icon, we need to display the menus over here. And if you scroll down, we have the topics over here. We don't have the image in the mobile version. And if you scroll down, we have a different layout for the info. And then if you scroll down, we have the latest post displayed over here, one below the other. And then we have the testimonials in a different layout. And then we have the footer also in a different layout. So these are all the different versions of the website that we're going to design. Now we're going to use Figma to design this website. So you can just Google Figma and you'll find this website, figma.com. So let's go to this website. And the first thing you have to do is create a free account. So click on sign up and create a free account. And then you can download the Figma desktop app. So if you scroll down, here you can see this link downloads. So if I click on that, here we have the option of downloading Figma. So you can download it for Mac or Windows. And once you install Figma, you can just sign into your account. Now this is the Figma app. Now you can just click on this plus icon and click on design file. And you can create a new file. Alright, so that's it for this video. From the next video, we will start designing the website. And if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.